In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Express for YouTube. Whether you're building a standout thumbnail or a quick video, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can create polished content fast. First, open Adobe Express. You can use the web version in your browser or the desktop app if you have it installed. When the home screen loads, you'll see a clean workspace with recent projects and a prominent area to start something new. Give it a second to load fully so all the templates and assets populate. Next, click Create New. This is your jumping-off point for any project. You'll notice recommended sizes and categories appear, which helps you stay on brand and on spec without guessing dimensions. Templates are your friend here. They're customizable starting points designed for speed and consistency. Now choose between YouTube thumbnail or YouTube video. If you're making a thumbnail, you'll get the correct size for YouTube, typically a 16:9 layout that looks crisp on any device. Thumbnails benefit from large, clear text and strong contrast, so keep that in mind. If you pick YouTube video, you'll open a timeline-style canvas that's already set to the right aspect ratio. Choose the option that matches your goal, and you can start from a blank canvas or browse a template that suits your topic. It's time to edit text and images. Click any text to update the wording, then adjust the font, size, color, and spacing in the side panel. Aim for short, punchy titles on thumbnails, and use high-contrast color combinations so words are readable at a glance. For images, replace the placeholders with your own uploads or search the built-in media libraries for stock photos and graphics. Use crop, background remover, and color filters to dial in the look. Keep key elements toward the center and away from the edges, so nothing gets cut off in previews. For video projects, you can trim clips, add text overlays or simple transitions, and balance the visuals to keep the message clear. Consistency matters. Stick to a small set of fonts and colors so your channel feels cohesive. When you're happy with the result, click Download. For thumbnails, choose PNG for crisp quality. For videos, select MP4 and the highest quality available. Name your file clearly so it's easy to find later, then confirm and let it process. Once the file saves to your computer, it's ready to upload to YouTube. And that's it. You've opened Adobe Express, created a project, customized the visuals, and downloaded a polished file, simple, fast, and YouTube ready.